Right now, I'm in the grocery store. Pete's Market, Pete's grocery store. We're in Chicago. Let's see how they eat. What can we get? It is Potato Central in Chicago. They got everything. They got stuff from Costa Rica, Mexico, Colombia, USA. Boy, look at these yams. Boy, look at these yams. These things is huge. Ladies and gentlemen, I am back with another sweet potato pie. Now, if y'all don't know, these pies are so good. They make everything better. Pancakes, waffles, anything you want. But right now, we're gonna do the OG sweet potato pie. Let's have a taste. Jesus, Jermaine, Christ. That is good. Ah, yeah, still good. Still good. Nice and rich and creamy. Melts in your mouth. Oh, man. You can never get enough of these pies. Now, another thing that'll be good with this pie, ice cream. You gotta try you some sweet potato pie, guys. Find you somebody that can make some sweet potato pie. It's good, delicious.
You better like, comment and subscribe right now.